'n veldtog wat binne 24 uur in 65 wêreldstede in optogte gestalte gekry het. In Johannesburg het ongeveer 1500 mense hulle steun getoon en saamgestap. Optogte is ook in Port Elizabeth en Kaapstad gehou.
'n wêreldwye oproep om optrede teen geblikte jag. In Kaapstad het optoggangers na die parlement opgemars en geëis dat die regering die praktyk onwettig verklaar. Leeu's vir geblikte jag word in gevangenskap geteel en Hans groot gemaak. Wanneer die groot katte wasdom bereik, word hulle geskiet in 'n kamp. Dikwels nadat hulle 'n kalmeermiddel toegedien is. In 'n opname waarin emeritus aartsbiskop Desmond Tutu sy seën oor die internasionale veldtog uitspreek, het hy jagters van geblikte wild roofdiere genoem.
We allow people to come from overseas to kill our animals. This South Africa is being destroyed.
Sommige aktiviste sê leeu's word selfs meer bedreig as renosters.
We now have nearly 3 times as many lions in captivity whose sole purpose is to be killed by hunters.
These things will be addressed in the legislation that is being looked at in terms of the norms and standards that apply to issues such as Canine.
A couple of years back, Alan and I, we were working at a lion facility and we really wanted to think they were doing conservation work, but once asked to sign paperwork that was for a known lion can hunter, we would never want to be associated with that, so we left straight away.
Killing more lions than are living in the wild.
Vroeër die week het die parlement eenparig 'n mosie aanvaar vir strenger beheermaatreëls.
Believes that African wildlife, and in particular our lion, rhino and elephant, deserve the highest and most stringent measures of protection.
Ook in Port Elizabeth het talle mense aan die veldtog teen geblikte leeujag deelgeneem.
I am angry about lion farmers who breed lions for no other reason than to provide tame targets to be executed by sadistic killers.
Volgens die jongste beskikbare syfers is daar sowat 2700 leeu's in die natuur in Suid-Afrika oor, terwyl daar meer as 8000 in gevangenskap is.